Is HOGE Coin the next Dogecoin? Is it even real? Let's talk about it. Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. HOGE Coin is attempting to be the next Dogecoin with a few differences. The main difference is that HOGE Coin is deflationary. You see, with Dogecoin, there is an unlimited supply. So every time Dogecoin is created, the current supply of Dogecoin loses its value. But with HOGE Coin, it is the complete opposite. When this project started, there was 1 trillion tokens. And today, there's a circulating supply of 436 billion tokens and decreasing. And the reason this is happening is because every time a transaction takes place with HOGE, 1% of that transaction is removed or burned from the total supply. This increases the scarcity of every HOGE in circulation. Additionally, another 1% is distributed among every HOGE holder. So every time HOGE is spent or transferred, there are HOGE tokens that are burned, making the existing supply more valuable. So from a token economics perspective, this is good, right? This is deflationary and it makes people FOMO. It has the FOMO incentive, fear of missing out, and they have thoughts such as, we need to get this coin before there is none left. And scrolling back up here on the website, I do want to say they did a great job on the website. But whenever we look at websites, we need to double check what we're looking at. Right over here, this looks very legitimate. CoinMarketCap, Coinbase, Blockfolio, Whitebit, and then we just keep scrolling on. And in our minds, subconsciously, we're thinking, wow, this is a legitimate project. But every time you see in crypto, not just for this project, but any project, always double check the listings or these partnerships and ask, what does it really mean? CoinMarketCap, what does this mean? Nothing. Anything can be listed on CoinMarketCap. It doesn't matter what your coin is. You can get listed on CoinMarketCap. And then when we come back here, Coinbase. If this is listed on Coinbase, that is actually a very big deal. Except it's not. If you actually click on this, it will bring you to this page. And all it is a price tracker on Coinbase, right? It is not supported by Coinbase. So just keep that in mind whenever you're looking at a website or a project and ask, what do these listings or partnerships actually mean? Now, in terms of trading HOGE, where can you get it? Well, it's only available in very few places. You can get it on Uniswap, 1inch Exchange, Whitebit, and Bilaxy, or I don't even know how to pronounce this word, so let me know in the comments below. But for the most part, most of the trading is done on Uniswap. The problem with Uniswap or 1inch Exchange is these are decentralized exchanges that run on Ethereum. So if you're gonna go ahead and trade something like HOGE Coin, you're gonna pay gas fees of $50 to $100. So just something to keep in mind. This coin has a small market cap, and just a general rule of crypto is that the smaller the market cap, the riskier it becomes. Today already, it's down 46%. And because it's such a small market cap, it could go in both ways. On any day, it can go up 40 or down 40. This is the risk of getting into something with a small market cap. But I am gonna talk about the positives in this video, right? I wanna keep this on both sides, the positives and the negatives. So far this is a new project, small market cap, and I did a little further research into the development team, but I couldn't find any specific names, right? This is a new project, not really established. I couldn't find any names of the leaders or the developers. Right, maybe you guys know and you can share that information down below. I looked into the white paper, also didn't see any names or references. They do have a Twitter account and also a Telegram group. But please let me know if there are specific people in charge of this project. I couldn't find it anywhere. Now, what HOGE Coin does have going for it is the meme culture. And what I realized over the last year is that memes are extremely powerful. Young people are not reading news articles and they're not watching videos that are 30 minutes to 1 hour. They're getting their information from memes, very quick, 5-10 seconds. And this is dangerous as well, though, because you're spreading information without a lot of detail behind it. So I do want to say that when it comes to memes, HOGE Coin is a master, and that's actually what they're all about, right? They say we are a meme coin. We are all about fun and games, and they embrace that. They have their dog logo here all dressed up in different outfits. They even have their HOGE Coin dog here wearing a Supreme t-shirt. So they're definitely doing an exceptional job when it comes to memes and social media. And actually, if we look at their roadmap, it is much different than pretty much 99% of roadmaps you'll see in the crypto space. Roadmaps for crypto projects are usually very technical. Their roadmap is not technical at all. If we look at their roadmap for Q1, deploy onto social media platforms, CoinMarketCap tracking, build a new website, branded t-shirts and merchandise, non-stop meme generation. If we look into the future for Q3, part of the roadmap is a sponsored truck rally and have our HOGE truck do Carta rally. So as we can see, this project is embracing this meme culture. That's what they're saying, right? We are fun, we are games. Look, they have their games here, they have their NFTs, and they have their merchandise, their swag. And when you see in a bull market that people are attaching onto a project such as this one with HOGE Army t-shirts, that's when actually these emotions can take over any sort of fundamentals. And this is actually something in the crypto space that you can use to your advantage. Even if you're looking at something like HOGE or maybe even something else and you see it doesn't have an established history, or they don't have their founders out in the open, sometimes in these bull markets, it can be a risk, but you can make money. Just like you go up 40% in one day, as we saw today, you can also go 40% down in the same day. We are clearly in a bull market, but when I look at something like HOGE, to me, it is more as a gamble. It is risky, small market cap, not available in many places, and also not too much history behind the project. But as I mentioned, memes are powerful. The problem here is you have to know when to get in and when to get out, and that is very difficult, right? You can make a lot of money in the crypto space trading just on what's going on social media. But again, I'm going to repeat, you have to know when to get in and when to get out, and that could be extremely difficult. For me, myself, I am not getting into HOGE Coin at the moment. I know people in the comments will say, what are you doing, man? You're crazy. This is the best thing ever. Well, if that's the way you feel, it's okay. We can have different opinions. But if that's the way you feel and you want to buy HOGE as an investment, that is totally up to you, right? You can definitely make money, not just in HOGE, but in any crypto, right? If you're following the news, if you're following the narrative and what's going on in social media and you time it correctly, then of course you can make money. But for me, that is not my strategy. I like to hold things and build them up over a long period. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Is HOGE Coin the next Dogecoin, or is this a one-time thing that is only here for the bull market and then we'll never see it again? Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.